This is Provincial Ordinance number 2023-303 entitled An Ordinance Creating the Provincial Youth Development Office and Providing Funds thereof. May I request the author, the Honorable Maria Angelica Bianca Requinto-Espinosa, to move for the third and final reading of this.
Honorable Bianca Requinto-Espinosa is recognized.
I move for the approval of the ordinance, an ordinance creating the Iloilo Provincial Youth Development Office and providing funds thereof.
Madam Chairperson, on motion of the author, I move on third and final reading, I move for the approval of Provincial Ordinance number 2023-303 entitled An Ordinance Creating the Iloilo Provincial Youth Development Office and Providing Funds thereof.
For Provincial Ordinance number 2023-303, for those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Mr. Secretary?
Madam Presiding Officer, it appears that all members present voted in favor of the ordinance.
Based on the voting, Provincial Ordinance number 2023-303 entitled An Ordinance Creating the Iloilo Provincial Youth Development Office and Providing Funds thereof, authored by the Honorable Maria Angelica Bianca B. Requinto-Espinosa and sponsored by the Honorable Rolando Bidistura, the Honorable Matt P. Palabrica, the Honorable Carol V. S. Espinosa Diaz, the Honorable Jason R. Gonzalez, and the Honorable Dorothy G. Paez is now approved under third and final reading.
Thank you, Madam.
Congratulations.